In the previous video, we discussed what a transversal is. So a transversal is a line that intersects two or more other lines. And if you notice, when I draw in this line, I get all these different angles. Now, we need to talk about different regions that are formed as well. So we've got this region in between the two lines. And then we've also got this region outside. In this case, it's above. It doesn't necessarily have to be above. And below. And we're going to have to refer to these. So this yellow region that I've highlighted, this is known as the interior region. And that would make the green regions over here and over here outside the two lines, the exterior region. So when we go through the definition of the types of angles that are formed by two lines cut by a transversal, keep in mind that the interior is in between the two lines and the exterior is outside the two lines. So moving on to the definition of corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are two angles on the same side of the transversal, and one angle is in the interior and one angle is in the exterior region. And the last point is they cannot share a vertex. So let's see if we can find some angle pairs in this picture that would be corresponding angles. So they have to be on the same side of the transversal. So here's my transversal. So they either both have to be on the left side or they both have to be on the right side. One has to be in the interior region. So here's my interior. And then everything that I haven't highlighted would be my exterior, and they cannot share a vertex. So if I pick angle 1, angle 1 is on the left side, so I need another angle on the left, but it has to be on the interior, so it's going to be in the blue shaded region, but it can't share a vertex. So if I use angle 1, it can't be angle 3. Our only other option would be angle 5. Alright, and let's say I picked angle 2. The angle that's corresponding with that would be angle 6. Or I could pick angle 7, so that's on the outside, so I need another angle on the inside in the blue shaded region. It can't be 5 because it shares a vertex with 7, so therefore it has to be angle 3. And then the last pair of corresponding angles would be angle 8 and angle 4. So go ahead and take a close look at these pairs of corresponding angles, and if you have any questions about those, make sure you get those cleared up, because you cannot be successful if you can't recognize and name the different types of angles formed by two lines cut by a transversal. Alright, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.